Hey guys, welcome to this week's web devlog. Last week I released the Quillinox website, so I spent the first few days of this week implementing some of the feedback I got in the comments under my last video and in the comments under Carl's video. I also worked on improving the website's overall performance, and so far I didn't hear of any major issues with the website, which is quite nice. Since there wasn't a whole much to show you during the first few days of this week, I will show you a full day of development today. Today it's Friday and I got up early to work a bit before school. Over the last few days I talked to multiple people and maybe future clients about websites. So today I want to tweak my portfolio website a bit and improve some of the compatibility issues it may have. I finished working on my website and I just changed some of the values and updated the dependencies, but now I need to eat something and get ready for school. I just got back from school and had something to eat. Now I will go ahead and improve some of the parts of my website on mobile devices. Now everything seems alright on my mobile. Using a pre-built CMS like WordPress or October CMS can make a website more secure. The problem with these systems is that they often load slower and aren't as customizable as when you build your own one. Building a CMS in just PHP isn't really secure, and since I want to provide the best security while still having the best performance, I will continue learning Laravel. I already learned a bit of Laravel before, but that was rather for the API features, and this time I want to focus mainly on using the Blade templating engine and Vue.js. So I just started building a test application. I implemented routing, but the main thing I tried out was what's the best way to structure my SCSS code. I figured out that I would have an app.scss file which has the basic style features that are the same on each page, like in some cases the font. Then I have an SAS file for each Blade layout file which imports the variables and all the partials that are needed. I also created a folder which I will call Ink or Components. It holds the style files for certain components like the navbar. Then each layout style can include the components that it uses and also have some custom styles. And my last video, some people requested that I should do a web design tutorial in which I design and code a web page. If you would like to see anything in specific, like a business landing page or a portfolio or a product landing page, then go ahead and tell me in the comments below. I've just been playing around with Eloquent, which is the ORM Laravel ships with. I did this to learn a few new ways of fetching data from the database. Next week I may start working on a project using Laravel to learn a bit more about it. For the last hour I've been reading through the Laravel documentation and watching a few videos. I think Laravel has a lot of amazing features when it comes to building web applications. It seems very complex at the start, but once you start working with it and watched a few tutorials, it becomes quite logic all of a sudden. But now I will go ahead and make myself some dinner. Sorry that this was a rather boring week, but next week should be more interesting again. So yeah, that concludes this video I guess. On the weekend I will edit this devlog and next week I will work on a new project. Thank you all so much for the feedback on the last week's video. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all next time.